Welcome to Human Arc, where every story has a rise, a fall, and a turning point. Let's dive in. They laughed when she vanished. They cheered when she failed. But no one saw the quiet storm she was building in the dark. Now, the woman they cancelled is back, louder, stronger, and topping every chart. This is the story of how Leona Cross turned silence into her loudest scream. The world had already written her final chapter. Unstable. Too angry. A one-hit wonder with a mic and a meltdown. But while they debated her downfall, she was somewhere else, off the grid, off the radar, and off social media. No hashtags. No tweets. Just a woman. And a mission to make the world listen again. And this time, not to explain, not to apologize, but to ignite. Because when the world silences your voice, the next thing you say better be fire. Leona rented a tiny apartment above a laundromat. No label, no manager, no entourage. Just a laptop, a microphone duct taped to a desk lamp, and lyrics scribbled on coffee-stained napkins. She sang with no audience. She cried with no applause. She broke apart and rebuilt. Every night she walked to an open mic in the back of an old jazz bar. No one recognized her. She liked it that way. Because this time, she wasn't chasing fame. She was chasing truth. One night, a college kid posted her 90-second freestyle on TikTok. Just her voice, a flickering candle, and words that cut like glass. 24 hours later, 3 million views. The comment section exploded. Wait, is that Leona Cross? She still got it. She's better than ever. Within days, underground radio was spinning her leaked tracks. Streaming services scrambled to license her comeback album. But she didn't answer a single call. She didn't need their permission. This time, she was in control. If you believe in comebacks, if you've ever been counted out, only to come back stronger, hit that like button. Because this isn't just a story. It's a battle cry for anyone who's ever been silenced. Let's keep going. She dropped a surprise single at midnight. No teaser. No press release. Just a title, Still Loud. It rocketed to #1 in 6 countries within 72 hours. Critics called it the anthem of a generation. Fans wept in parking lots and sang in protest. And on the third night, she went live. Just her and a mic, same stage. Same spotlight. Same fire in her eyes. But this time, the silence wasn't for her. It was for the crowd, holding its breath. Because Leona Cross was about to speak again. She didn't say sorry. She didn't explain the past. She let the music do it. Track after track, she burned the old headlines with every verse. And instead of labels chasing her, she started her own. Crossline Records, an artist-led movement for the unheard, the unseen, and the unbroken. She signed poets, street performers, activists, people the world ignored. Because if the world once told her to be quiet, she was gonna make sure they heard everyone else too. So next time they say you're done, remember this, they said she was over. Now she's standing on Grammy stages, with a mic in one hand, and a generation rising behind her. Don't count yourself out. Sometimes, your greatest hit comes after the silence. Thanks for watching Human Arc, where stories of comeback, courage, and character come alive. If Leona's story hit you hard, subscribe for more true tales that prove, no matter how deep the fall, the rise can be louder.